All right, Henry, radians. So we've got two ways to measure things in a circle. We've got degrees, which you're probably really familiar with, and we also have radians.
Right.
They're the same. Miles and kilometers. The general idea of this question is to convert from radians to degrees.
Mhm.
I'm going to guess you don't know the conversion rate.
It's been a while.
I have good news. We can easily figure it out. I bet you know how many degrees are here, right, in the circle?
360, right?
360 degrees. Beautiful. I'm going to tell you right now that it is 2 pi radians in a whole circle.
Mm-hmm.
So what about half a circle?
That'll be 100, well, 180 degrees, so it'll just be what, 1 pi radians?
Yeah, just 1 pi radian. Yep, just 1
Probably.
pi. If I want to convert from degrees to radians, I want to end up with a pi in my answer because all radians are measured in some amount of pi. And if I want to
Right,
end up with an angle in degrees, I don't want a pi. So we either want to end up with a pi in the answer or not. Pretty
right.
simple. Okay.
Mhm.
So when we want to convert the degrees, we're going to multiply by a conversion rate, and I want to end up with something and a pi in it. So what that means, Henry, is that there must be a pi in the numerator of this conversion rate.
Right,
And because I already know the answer to this question, the conversion rate is pi over 180 or 180 over pi. Let's convert 3 pi over 2 radians into degrees. Okay, that's fine. If I'm converting from radians to degrees, remember, I don't want a pi to end up in my answer if I want to end up in degrees. So I'd put the pi in the denominator here so that it will cancel out. And then I can just multiply. So my pi's cancel, and it's 3 times 180 over 2, which would be 420 over 2. So like 220, I think. 270. Anyway, that's just an example problem. Internet,
right.
don't kill me. But that's how you convert from radians to degrees or degrees to radian. It's 180 over pi or pi over 180.